Do you struggle to draw loose? I have the fix you're looking for. Drawing with non-dominant hand changes everything. Pull up a chair, let's get into it. I gathered some bottles, different shapes, different colors, different sizes from my bottle collection, and I just have them sitting in front of me here, and I'm just going to draw those in my sketchbook with my non-dominant hand. And I'll just start over here. Now, you can hold the pencil however you want, because when you draw with your non-dominant hand, it's going to feel weird, but it gives me the exact results I'm looking for. Wonky, loose, I don't have to worry. And at first I thought, oh my word. But as I did it more and more, I really grew to love it. It started, oh my goodness, quite a while ago. And I was drawing an object and I just was not happy with it. I couldn't figure it out. So I simply just picked up my pencil in my left hand and I started drawing. And I absolutely love it. I love the wonkiness of the lines, and there's no way you can't not loosen up. It's almost a given. And don't think about it too long. Oh, this one's going off the page. There we go. Just draw. If you waste your time saying, oh no, this doesn't look good, that doesn't look good, then you're missing the point. And they don't have to be exactly. Now, if I drew that with my right hand, the lines would look too smooth and they would be too, they'd be too perfect. I love this little bottle. Oh, see, now I just made that up because my bottle was too long to fit on the thing. But this is a nice part about it. You don't have to do anything like you see it. It's just basically a jumping off point, and you don't have to have them all at the same level. Nothing. It is up to you, and it is so much fun. It's so freeing. That poor little fella got squished by the line. But do you see where I'm going with this? So now, if you want, you can go in and you can start to add details. Not details, but just some little things that are on the bottles. But you don't have to. That is the message. You can do whatever you want. And I really had a hard time loosening up. I really did. It didn't seem to matter what I did. But I was too tight. But I painted. I was a realist painter for years. And everything I painted was realistic. And unfortunately, I couldn't break free of it. But once I started doing this, things really changed. Really, really changed for me. And I loved every second of it. Okay, so this little guy has a handle. Oh, different colored handle. But again, guess what? We can do whatever we want. Oh, this one actually, I love this one. This one actually has a lip, and then it has these stripes on it that come down. They're like a ridge. And as you can see, I've gotten a lot better with my left hand. Probably maybe even better than I want to, but it's okay. It's all relative to what you're doing. And I could make this even wonkier if I wanted to. So now with these bottles, everything shows through. And see how this bottom, it's not even right, but that's okay. All right, so that is our first exercise. I just simply wanted to get some bottles down, and I absolutely love that. Now I'm just going to maybe try, look at this one. See how pretty that is? So I'm going to just do that on this. And I'm not going to be perfect. See how nice and jagged those lines are? I love it. So this is the secret to the wonky drawing. And then we have this comes out, and this is actually kind of almost, oh, that's more like blind line contour, but that's okay. I'm just going to fix that. We'll leave that as a side, right? because there is a side to it. Okay, so we have a little square inset, some little lines. Oh yeah, I love that. We have almost like a pinwheel on the top. So this is the trick. Keep drawing with your left hand until you love these. Like I look at that and I absolutely love it. Now, when I first did it, I did not. I thought, uh-oh, what have I done? But yeah, no, it's absolutely beautiful. Now, look at that one. This is one of my favorite bottles. I have so many favorite bottles. Let's just try this one. So no even shape, no perfect anything. And you can even go in. And you can use the right hand for this if you want it to, but I encourage you to really use your left hand. Okay, so it's as easy as that. This is a simple exercise to practice loose drawing, and anyone can do it. And if it doesn't come out this good, even better. Because I find now it kind of frustrates me because I'll try to draw extra wonky because I find things kind of, well, you know, if you do it a lot, you get used to it, but helps if you don't move your book around. But no, I love it. And you could, if you wanted to, color these in. You could do whatever you want it to. You could do it with black marker. You could do it with Posca pens. This is a great exercise even to warm up before you start painting or drawing. It gets everything flowing. See how all I'm doing is adding some weight to the bottom. So when I first started drawing with my left hand, I felt very awkward. After you do it a few times, you get used to doing it and it doesn't feel as awkward. And I have to say this sketchbook, I absolutely love it. It's perfect for this. And this is the $1.63 sketchbook that I bought from Jackson's. I did a whole video on it. I'll link that below, along with the link for the Derwent drawing pencils, which are by far my favorite mixed media pencil. Just be aware that is an affiliate link. So grab something in your house and try this and let me know in the comments how you make out. And if your paintings are coming out too tight, try this before you pick up a brush. Just your wrong hand, a few minutes, something in front of you, that's it. Let me know in the comments how you make out. You don't have to color them all in. A little pop here and there works perfectly. I was going to color that base in, but I'm not going to. And I'm not, if you notice, I'm not coloring fancy smancy. I really just want a little bit of color thrown around throughout. So the thing that really shifts when I'm doing this type of drawing is the feeling. It just gives me such a feeling of joy and freedom. I'm not worried about anything. I'm not worried about what it looks like. I'm not worried about who likes it. The only thing I'm worried about is that I'm having fun. And if you want to see what happens after the loose drawing, when I actually pick up a brush, I've got a painting video right here where that's exactly how I start. I'll see you over there.